Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to reveal a secret trick used by professional editors to get CapCut Pro in iOS without jailbreaking and without using unauthorized apps. Let's directly get into the video. First, download the same VPN as shown in the video. Select the server as shown. Open CapCut, and if you are lucky, then you will get it in the first try. And if you are not, then leave it. Just kidding. If you don't get close CapCut fully and restart it 5 to 6 times, then you'll get it. Let me show you the proof. See? It actually works. If it worked for you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please comment if it works. That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video. It's me, Freak, signing out. Bye. I almost forgot to tell how to export. If you try to export, it will show this. To solve that, disconnect the VPN and export. Simple.